Surprisingly, this will last you about a full day. I've done a lot of research since these watches are only available for pre-order, but we need to know about them before pre-ordering our own Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Based on the battery life of the Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, it appears that we can draw a reasonable conclusion about how long this device will last. Samsung provided us with concrete statistics, stating that if you disable your always-on display, your watch will last approximately 40 hours, and if you enable it, it will last approximately 30 hours. Similar statistics were provided by Samsung for the Watch 5 base model, which has a 410 mAh battery and is rated to last approximately 50 hours. Surprisingly, Watch 6 Classic features a significantly larger display, fewer bezels, and a slightly larger battery of 425 mAh. Based on testing, the battery life of the Watch 5 is approximately 1 to 1.5 days, depending on usage. Yes, this activity is always disabled, but the other features, including fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and auto brightness, remain active. Considering the Watch 5 battery life numbers, it is simple to predict that the Watch 6 Classic will have similar battery life numbers. Some say it has a slightly larger battery and a more power-efficient processor, which is obviously the new Exynos W930 processor, but you should be aware that the Watch 6 Classic has Samsung's brightest display, which can reach up to 2000 nits, which will quickly drain your battery if you work primarily outside. This was not the case with the Watch 5, as its luminosity was only 1000 HP. Now in the real world, you don't go outside all the time, and looking at the numbers from Samsung, where they give Watch 5 50 hours and Watch 6 40 hours, you can easily find your answer, similar pairing numbers but slightly less because of a larger display, even looking at the Watch 5 Pro numbers as it came with a significantly larger battery. Samsung claims a complete charge will last approximately 80 hours, which is double that of the Watch 6 Classic. But here's how it works. If you disable the always-on display and use the GPS feature sparingly, you can end up with this much battery, but if you use both, it will only last about 2 days, which means we can expect at least 1 day of battery life from the Watch 6 Classic with all features enabled. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.